Okay. Welcome, Prasanna Garu. Welcome, Prasanna. So, thank you so much for giving us your time. And we are eager to know your success journey and how you faced your hardships and all. So, please give your time and share us your success stories and all. So, we welcome you and thank you once again for giving out your time.
Thank you so much, Sandhya, and all of you. It's my
So,
privilege and honor today with the success story series. I really thankful to Dr. Suresh Kumar sir, giving me opportunity to share my success story with all of you. And I wish all of you also very happy Father's Day because this occasion. So I'm starting with father because they're always saying he's the father. So
Prasanna,
I would
only one father here. Okay, all of you are mothers.
Sir, you
but
are
of
a
course,
father, so we are treating you as a father. So that's why I'm wishing you a very happy Father's Day. Okay.
so how did you know about this platform, Prasanna? Like, what made you and how did you see this platform as a useful platform for you?
Can you repeat the question, please, Sandhya?
Right? How did you come to know about this platform and this course? And what made you to join this platform? And how did you feel it is useful to you?
In 2019, sir once came down to Delhi. So for conducting some art from art something, you want to go for that art and some program. So he was posted in this Genie Clinic something, right, in Facebook. So he posted something. He want to conduct. He want to meet all the dietitians, all the nutritionists in the New Delhi and NCR. So immediately I dropped. Sir, I'm interested. I want to come. So he sended me his number. So like that we connected.
Okay.
So from
So,
2019 onwards, I have a contact with Dr. Suresh Kumar sir. Then 2020, just before he conducting these 3-day sessions, right? Mini course.
okay.
So like that, I
Yes.
come to know through Facebook only.
Okay. So you joined the HNT, right?
Yeah,
So
I joined
after,
in HNT. After 3 days mini course, I joined immediately.
okay. So immediately. So
Yeah,
what is that one area where you found you have to be, you have to sign up this program? What is that one thing which made you to sign up?
actually I was looking eagerly looking for something to learn like this, like holistic way. Okay,
Hmm.
these 3 mini day course taught me so many things. So without delay, by the end of the day, after completing 3-day mini course, so immediately I signed up.
Okay. So we have our joiners also joining the program. So I welcome everybody taking up your precious time and joining our live. So today we have a special host. We are all four of us and all four of us are known to you. So I give over this to the other host also to ask their questions and know about her journey also. So please, Padma, please take over.
Hi, Prasanna.
Hi Padma, hi, thank you so
Hi,
much for your
Prasanna.
time today.
Yeah. Hi, Prasanna. Tell me, how did you transform your clients to clients?
How did I come
How did
again?
you transform?
Yeah, first of all, while joining, I don't know what exactly it is. So because I was engaged with other platforms, I engaged with work. I have a different platforms to work. First 3 months, I didn't concentrate anything else. Okay,
Okay.
so like that 3 months, I don't have any knowledge about what is the things, what is the subject, what is the lessons and all. So I have some problem with one patient. Then I thought to, okay, let me go back to lessons and learn something. So like that I
Okay.
started after third month, matlab October. I started listening all the lessons. So the transformation tools, forgive. So all the bonus sessions, right? Especially the book called one minute. You Can Heal Your Life by Louis Hay.
Yes.
It's a very
Yeah.
wonderful book for me.
Yes, yes.
So
Yeah.
that is my inspiration actually. So I myself actually, very depressed, always demotivating myself, you know, a lot of
Okay.
anger person I am so much. So these transformation tools and forgiveness, acceptance, these simple tools makes me realize that what I am exactly. So like that, I connected and I transformed myself. Still, I'm in process of changing myself. So these tools are helping me a lot, especially HNT tools I have used for myself. So once I started
Wow.
in October, so I have seen a lot of change in me. All the anger gone. So acceptance, love, so much. So I'm not irritating like the person who I am before.
So before the other host asks the next question, I just want to just interrupt. I'm sorry for that. So I remember, Prasanna, you sharing me your story. So what were the hardships that you shared when you changed your place of area to work, and what were the difficulties you faced there, and how you pulled yourself from those hardships? So can you just narrate that and just give a gist of that journey, so that the newcomers will join and they will learn something to overcome the hardships.
Okay. I just want to share my whole story, then only you can connect each together. I just started my practicality session. I mean, once I completed my post graduation, I went to Usmania because for an internship. Okay, there my learning process started. First of all, I would like to say my mentors thanks for them, because without mentors, I'm not like this as a person. Even with the Dr. Suresh Kumar sir also, because thankfully Dr. Narasimha Rao, even Venkateswar Rao, both are my mentors in the Usmania and Gandhi Hospital. So they stood me beside, and they always pull me that you have to go high. So don't stop your knowledge here. So you have to extend your knowledge like that. So after my internship, I went to Yashoda Hospital. I worked in Yashoda, and after that, the job dissatisfaction is there, because always going around the rounds. By the end of the day, your energy is drained. Okay, so of course that time it around 12,000 I used to get. So it's a lot of dissatisfaction is there. So while doing my job itself, I tried in another way. So I got a very good opportunity in GSK. So where it's a completely different actually. Of course, it's a nutrition. It's a consumer-based company, right? GSK is a consumer-based health line. So I entered there. So there I learned a lot. And after that, 5 years, I was connecting with all the Hyderabad nutritionists and all the doctors. Of course, profile is little different, but lot of learning and lot of encouragement and lot of connecting with the doctors actually. I need to train the all the farm representatives, and of course I need to give the knowledge to the doctors, like conducting CMEs and CNEs like that. It's a different role, but I enjoyed, and very decent pay scale also. So like that, I enjoyed 5 years in Hyderabad. So after that, I moved into Delhi. After my marriage, I came to Delhi. So it is a completely different for me, because you know that as a Andhra girl coming to the Haryana, I'm staying in Gurgaon. Haryana means, I think most of you know that how people are, how posh and how critical they are. So completely different languages. So completely I was shut, because I know Hindi, but how can I manage with a Haryani? I don't understand. So that is the critical time I faced. So slowly, of course, I motivate
Prasanna,
myself.
hold a second. So the very reason I think of you, so Mary Com, some fighter is coming to my mind. I was wondering whether I can keep that in the video or not. But as you are rightly portraying, the fighter in you, right? So that's what depicts in the video. Sorry for the intruding. Yeah, please go ahead.
So I myself learned some of the points connected to the community, because most of the clients who are coming from the background of village, who are from Haryani, they speak Haryani. I don't know Haryani. I can only express my language in Hindi only. It's a very difficult situation that is, but I stood myself, and even my husband also encourages me. So where I learned 1 month hardly, I think every night once I come back my home. Of course, I was handling a veterinary nutrition. So I used to counsel all the pregnancy and all the ladies who are coming from the villages in different clinics. So like that, I have a very tough situation that time, but I never back, you know. So sometimes I used to say my husband, I want to quit my job because already I have a good experience, 5-year experience, and it is extended to Delhi. Means you should be prestigious. That, like that, he was encourages me. So anyhow, I was very good in a settlement in the Gurgaon. First 2 years, I was enjoyed that project, and after that, my again my struggle started. I was pregnant. Then after that, maternity leave. So along. So one of my friend, taught me that, ki, Prasanna, you have to take at least 7 years gap. You should not go to work. You have to give your family time. So I'm in cage. Cage means, right? So I'm in cage.
And I remember you were cursing yourself that why did you choose this field also?
Yeah, that time only.
Yes.
Actually, she taught me ki Prasanna, you should not go to job. You should not leave your family. She's a friend of mine in Delhi only. So from then onwards, till 5 years, I'm in same cage only. I never thought of coming out from the cage, how to overcome the situation, because I love my profession. What I am learning, what I did,
Yeah.
it's a completely different, with a very decent salary, with a very prestigious job and all. But now, because of only maternity, so of course I lost my job. I mean, because I have taken too many leaves and all. So this cage, last 5 years, means around 2013 to 2018, I'm in the same cage only. Sometimes I used to cry like anything. So why I have chosen this profession? Okay. So why I am not, because I have a desire to go for as a medico, but unfortunately I came here for because of some circumstances. But I'm thankful now. I'm in a good profession right now. So like that, 5 years I'm in cage only. So one day I have taken a decision. Always that the lady taught me that you have to take care of your kids and your family and all. Of course, I have fulfilled all the desire. I've taken 2 small kids. I have 2 little boys. So like that, even second pregnancy, I have a primary hypertension also, because everything is in cage only. There is no coming
Yeah.
out and no,
Yeah.
there is no room for fly, right? So I'm the same cage only,
Yes.
same problem only. I myself motivate myself ki I need to do something. Of course, thankfully I'm in NCR. I can have a more opportunity. So I started searching again in the social media. So whatever the social media is, because I'm super active in the social media like Facebook. So thankfully 2018, with a small baby, I have a 2 years younger boy. So I left it to my husband. So I took some projects successfully I have completed in 2018. I started again. I come out from that cage. I
Very
break
good.
the cage. I
That
break
is
the cage. Completely I break
something
the
that is appreciable.
Yes, it can be possible, right? So the word hit me always. Whenever I think about my family, I remember her word. Prasanna, you have to leave your family. Sorry, you have to leave your job.
Job.
Have to be sit at home, because these smaller kids now you can't do.
Mm.
So I was in that cage only, but I myself break the cage. And
You
2018, I have started my projects. And Gurgaon is a very good hub, IT hub, and also
yeah.
different projects I used to get. So successfully I have done 2018 and 19. Few of the projects I have done. So I got a confidence. Again, I'm back to my normal profession. So like
Good,
that,
good.
yeah, 2020 is a blessed year for me, because I always thought of course, I need to take care about my boys, very little ones. I should not leave because no one is there to help them, and I cannot leave them in schools and all. So anyhow, my desire, I want to work from home and earn more. This is my desire.
Hmm.
That is fulfilled in 2020, just before the mini course. Just before the mini course in the May,
Yes.
I think May starting, I think. Yeah.
Hmm.
So I have signed up the big project in QFX. So like that, the different organizations. So now I'm a very succeeded in all the platforms. It's a magic. And of course, I have an intention to do.
Very good.
Yeah.
That's truly an inspiring story, Prasanna.
Yes.
So I think everybody has to accept this. Nothing is impossible unless until you have a strong
Yes.
passion to, drive that. So the other host, please proceed with your questions to her.
Hi, Prasanna. I'm Karuna.
Hello, ma'am.
Prasanna, who is your toughest client to date? And how did you transform that client using holistic nutrition program tools?
Yes, ma'am. And when I started listening the lessons right in October, I told you, I think so. After 3 months of joining, I started opening the lessons one by one. So that time only I got a patient. She was from, she's a very critical patient, very stubborn. She started sharing all her problems one by one, everything. She's a 30 years lady, ma'am, coming from South Indian and very typical. So she was blasting her husband like anything. I don't know what the root causes it is, but already have learned the things in the lessons itself, like whatever the causes of the roots. I mean, hatred and all this thing, envy, all these things I learned. So she was stating, first of all, I learned that taking a wonderful history, how to take a history. So sir also explained how to take a history and all, right? So I started applying on this. So slowly, she was opened up one by one, like that. So she had a very typical anger and fluctuation. There is no love in the family. Okay, and all her hormonals are disturbed because of that. She had irregular periods, PCOD, GERD problem, constipation, whatnot, everything. By the end of the day, she is pop up with 15 tablets along with antibiotics, Pandy, or all these things. So she was so much anger, and she had a very little baby, maybe 5 years old, I think, daughter. She also like hit like anything. She always beat like anything, daughter and even a husband. That is
Oh,
fluctuation. With
this
the
is
fluctuation,
something,
yeah, every
something
day.
interesting.
Yeah, was very small daughter. She was crying a lot, and she never bothered about what is her anger and all.
Hmm.
But thankfully, she approached me. That is the last consultation she thought, because already she tried in several doctors, several psychologists, so many things. So I am the one, the last consultant to her. So thankfully, I applied all the transformation tools. First of all, wonderfully, I have taken the history, and nicely I told, okay, no problem. Diet will help you. And the second thing, I have given some interventions. Okay, like a transformation tools, like a transformation tools I have explained, and acceptance, love, all these things. There are so many things. I applied only few intervention in the six. She uh, actually 6 session, I think so. She booked first session. I didn't apply anything. Only 1 or 2 intervention like that. Like that, one after one, 3 session completed. Now she's completely transformed, ma'am. I think I have shared in the group also. She has
Yes, yes.
shared wonderful
Yes.
feedback.
Yeah.
Yeah. First of all, she accepted herself what her problems is. So she
Hmm.
started loving her husband and opening all the things in front of the husband. And she also talking about her parents are the big enemy for her. I was
Oh.
shocked. So she was stating parents is the enemies.
Hmm.
I don't know what the reason, strong reason, but she accepted, and she's talking to every day, calling her parents, and more love showing upon daughter and all. Complete transformation.
Very good. Very good to hear that,
So
because
after the by the end of the 6th section, I think before 6th only, she lost 73 to 66 now, 9 kilo around, and
oh,
her total acne is gone. No pills
Commendable.
is there. Last 3 to 4 months, she's never touched the sinus medicine and migraine medicine. No antibiotics, no pantacids.
so
Wow.
completely she gave up medicines.
Complete transformation. Complete transformation.
Wonderful.
She's right away sent the feedback. Even I don't expect it from her.
Hmm.
She's doing this much, fantastic job. And of course, she has done everything. I have just supported her. Whatever I learned, whatever I applied myself, I applied on her. It's a
Very
vibration,
good.
right?
Yes.
So she sent a feedback. And I didn't know, okay, in 2021 January ending, I got a torch bearer award from my company, stating that one of the patient is stating, and she sent a photo, including the
Hmm.
feedback and all. So
Hmm.
then after that, I gone through all the number and all, who sent all this thing. I don't know, because we cannot track and all.
Hmm.
Suddenly one day again she appeared and she told all this thing. I only shared my feedback. I told her, why you have sent it, why I have not asked you to send. No, you are the one person in my life changed within a, without any medicine, you have changed my life.
Yes, yes.
So your food
Wow.
is a blessing to me. So that statement I got along with my award. So this is, shocking for me actually. So then I started applying from October onwards. I have started applying all the transformation tools, which Dr. Suresh sir is explaining. So almost 200. So this is the
Hmm.
only one. This is not only one, Sandhya. There are so many transformations. So this is a very wonder to me.
Yeah,
One of
yeah.
the
Because
most simple
Yeah.
I,
feedback.
yes, I remember you keep sharing me all your clients, and we cannot discuss in such a short span.
Yes.
But yes, now Karuna garu, like, you want to ask anything else?
So like that, I
So,
myself transformed, ma'am, and that is applied to my clients also. And the result I explained right now.
Hmm. Yes, Karuna ma'am.
okay. Yes, so that's holistic nutrition program has helped you tremendously and also your clients.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
So that's really wonderful.
Thank you.
So
So,
So Priya, you want to ask anything from your side?
yeah. So I was so excited and I was waiting for my turn
Yes.
patiently. So, Prasanna ma'am, I am very much inspired by you because the way you speak and the type of empathy you have, this is one thing which is I always have in my heart for you, right? And what I want to know is, being an HNTP student, the holistic nutrition student, what have you gained, and what how do you see this course as, and also our mentor?
First of all, I didn't know what to explain, but in October, I'm not a live. I mean, I never attended the live session. So suddenly one day I appeared in the live. That day sir is asking about how much money you want to make something. The topic he took that day. So
Yeah,
I
yeah.
joined even the video. I on the video immediately he catched me. Prasanna, how much money you want to earn? Straight away he asked me. Randomly, I took, okay, sir, 50,000 for a coming 3 months. Just like that only. So see, simple HNT, I mean, learning is something, and of course, he taught me that day. I mean, because everybody is interested on earning money and all, right? So even like
Yeah.
me also, randomly I told him, ki, sir, within 3 months, 50,000. It
Okay.
really happened to me, Priya.
Wow.
Within 3 to 4 months, no, I reached more than 50. Not 50 or
My
Wow.
God,
52,
ma'am.
more than 50.
Very good.
Yes.
This
Yeah.
is such a surprise, really.
Yes.
This is really a surprise. That's good. And how do you see our mentor as, means the type of availability we have got, and the type of interest that he has developed in each one of us as a student, and to continuously motivating us and taking us forward? What is your call?
Yes, we need to listen our clients. Actually, they're coming with the pain, right? Because sir always want to, from the beginning onwards, I'm listening. Sir always saying us, you are a future generation physicians.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's one
yes.
statement
That
which really motivates me a lot.
Yes. So it is not like as a mentor. First of all, they are coming to you with a great hopes, right? So we have to give our time for a patients. Listening to the patients is very important. That's how
Hmm.
the wonderful history is making us almost 60 minutes, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
Yeah.
there our journey started. So if we respect them, definitely they will not leave us.
Okay.
This
Definitely,
is
yeah.
the power of mentoring,
True.
which I
Mentoring.
learned from, because Dr. Suresh sir also mostly with all of our coaches, he was so much patience, right? He never said
Yeah,
no
That's
true.
to,
true.
Yeah.
never say to no to anything. So suppose you are asking something, I'm asking something, so many several questions. He never tired up actually. 3 hours he continuously is talking. But only
Yeah.
spending 1 hour time in front of patient is nothing. That's what I feel. Still, we need to learn. Of course,
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
I used to spend 2 hours hardly, okay, with the patients. Recently, I have talked to one of the diabetic patient. Subodh, I shared to Sandhya.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
We
So,
will talk about this patient. Yes, Priya, go ahead.
So I wanted to complete that the HNTP which we have got, I think this is a program which is very much structured in a way which takes you through a process and through a journey,
Yes.
right? So first, the course is formed like that you will get to know everything from the history taking to make your client accept at what stage in life he is, and then to taking forward to the transformation,
Yes.
right? So, what do you want to say on the context of the course and yes, the monkey group, which we always discuss about the group?
Even I asked from the beginning, first day itself, once I transfer the payment, no, sir, can I get the certificate? I asked like this.
Yeah,
There is no answer from the sir, but he said, madam, you can go for it. I can definitely provide you the certificate, but this course will not available in everywhere else. Yes,
no,
I
it's not there.
definitely agree. No university will not develop this much content, in a relevant way, in a systematic way, which can
Yeah,
apply on our patients.
Yeah.
No, it is very simple to apply on our clients. That it's
very
not
true.
hard like our textbooks and all. It is very
Very true.
simple and very systematic and very easy to learn.
So
Yeah, and
related to
Yes.
yeah, yeah. Please go ahead, Priya.
last thing about the group which we have.
It's a super Priya actually. So the vibration you people are showing, even I'm also super active these days. Previously I'm not, but now
That's
I'm
what
also,
we are able to see you very active these days.
yes.
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 So I'm giving my time, super active in this. Yes, a lot of vibrations, whatever I have a positive vibration, you are passing to others. I'm
Yeah,
unable to see in other groups because we have a different community dietitians groups and all. Everybody have their own priorities, right? So nobody will not
right.
give a happiness to others. Suppose if I am sharing my success stories, definitely something ego will be there, envy is there, but
Yeah,
no trans. But here it is a complete transparent. If you are super successful lady in the group, so suppose madam is there, so if she succeeded, so we are very much wonderful because we are so much thankful for her dedication and for all the things. And we
yeah,
also celebrated today because today or yesterday I think so we got a message from sir. So
yeah, yes.
everything is super powerful. Whatever we are getting, we are enjoying, and of course we are celebrating every day. So the
Correct.
Yeah,
vibrations around in the group is super powerful. And
yeah, and we
you
are
know,
growing also.
whenever I need a help, right? Even a Sandhya, anytime if I call Padma also, a super hand in my needing.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you
you.
for no acknowledging. So related to this, I wanted to ask you, Prasanna. So there are n number of courses, right? During pandemic, you came across so many courses, I guess. So what is that one difference, or what is the difference between the other courses and this HMP courses, which you feel is something unique about this program?
It is completely different. My answer is completely different from other courses actually.
Okay. So do you find anything uniqueness or specialty of this program?
No, it is something completely different and special.
Okay, good. Okay. So just coming to your client Subodh, right? So in a way, I'm also connected to the family because I also hold a client from the same family. So
Yeah.
I know during the last month what is the kind of hardship they are facing after losing their family members.
Yes.
But still, you were able to get some change in your client. So could you share us about that story as well?
Yes. Initially, he was there with the with mother actually. Wife is somewhere else, and he enrolled this program, diabetic reversal program. He was using a lot of Herbalife products to come down his weight. He never
Mm.
thought of ki food is his medicine. So all
Mm.
food, whatever he is eating, he is leaving, and all dabbas like Herbalife
Yeah.
dabbas. So slowly, within 1 week itself, he left all the Herbalife. I said no.
Oh.
no to the Herbalife. So whatever you have in your kitchen, please eat that.
Hmm.
And first of all, concentrate what you are eating and mindful eating, all these things, whatever the transformation tools, everything I applied. So within 1 month itself, he lost around 110 to 103,
Wow.
Wow.
8 to
Very
9
good.
kilo. With 8 to
Wow.
1
9
week.
kilo. Yes.
In 1 week?
No, 1 month. 1 month.
1 month. Okay. Okay.
Wow.
Second month, he went to his hometown where wife is
Hmm.
staying over there, mother-in-law place. Badly, he was affected with COVID actually.
Yes. Yes.
He's down with the
Yes.
COVID. All the family members
Hmm.
are COVID. Even a small kid, I think 2 years baby boy he had.
2.5.
2.5 years.
Yeah.
Unluckily, so he lost his mother-in-law and a sister-in-law, and finally wife also. All the family members are died, and he is the only one male person in the family.
Hmm.
Very typical time, right?
Yes.
But still he developed his antibiotics. So doctor is amazingly was looking after his reports. He is producing a lot of antibodies.
So tell us the secret. How did you handle this case?
But second month onwards, I used to try to contact him, like what he is eating, what, how is his health, like that. But always he is a depression only. Of course,
Hmm.
the family is going through a lot of tough situation, right? One after one, one after one.
Yes. Yes.
So second month
Yes.
totally there is no contact. Of course,
Hmm.
sometimes he used to message me, but third
Hmm.
month once he come back, I was trying to contact him in different ways because
Hmm.
I don't want to disturb him, but I want to connect to him to
Hmm.
convey, something vibration, positive vibration or something. So like that, I connected every time. Like I used to message, but no reply from him. But
Hmm.
suddenly, last 2 weeks back, he called me, and I also called. And he was a state now, very good, positive. Even though his wife is not there,
Wow.
staying
Yes.
alone and taking care about the baby. Now he got his confident level back. So almost 1 hour I talked to him, Subodh.
Wow.
So because I passed on the lot of vibrations, positive vibrations, supported a lot. Okay, no problem, baby will be safe, like that. There are so
Yeah.
much of talk in between. So I have spent my 1 hour time. So by the
Hmm.
end of the day, even I also feel down. I shared to sir also, sir, a lot of negative vibrations
Yes.
are around me. I get lot of headache, and my family members are down there with. In my hometown, my parents also feel very weak. So
Yeah.
lot of
Yeah.
negativity.
Yeah.
But I surrendered and I prayed, and spiritually I am very okay. So I prayed and I bathed. So many things that sir explained. No, it works for me. So
Yes.
the second day
Wow.
itself, my relief is gone. I mean, I totally relieved from that negativity. So like that, I was so much connected to this both, even though connectivity is very less. But he come to the point. Now today he was lost around 9 kilo, and
Hmm.
yesterday he is showing me HbA1c 6 only. He's eating
Very good.
double,
Wow.
yeah, restaurant food.
Very
Because
Wow.
he's staying alone in hotel, no, because mother is very older, so he's staying alone in hotel with the baby. He's saying, I'm super energy, ma'am, and my HbA1c is 6 only. My fasting sugar is 90. Before it was around 150 something.
Yeah.
Wow.
And
So
but what was the HbA1c, ma'am, before?
It's before it was 8.5 something.
Wow.
So I'll
Awesome,
add
ma'am.
I'll add something to this. As Prasanna said, mother is my client from the same HDR team. So
Yes,
she always used to worry about the child, the the
baby.
kid. So she was happy at the same time that his sugar levels were not fluctuating.
Yes,
And she always feels thankful that both of them joined at the correct time. I think God has given some hint before to make them join so that the big loss is ahead. So be prepared. And
Yeah.
she was very happy.
Yeah.
But everything is okay. I'm very happy that his health is not getting spoiled
yes,
because, as you know, he's a very hypertensive guy, right?
yes.
And for each and small thing, he used
For
to get
each
worried
small thing,
and
he get tense. Yeah,
yeah,
overthinking and a lot of negativity.
lot of negativity because I once recently when I happened to speak to her, she shared with me, I don't know, something is changing in his behavior. So even losing a wife, which is biggest pillar in his support,
Yeah,
his emotions are very balanced, and he could handle the small toddler, I mean, small younger one, so, maturely, without getting irritated himself and without cursing others. And personally, I know his story, how he lost his mother, and how his childhood was with too many hardships.
Yes.
So it was wonderful, Prasanna. So
Last 2 weeks
very
onwards,
good.
I never leave him because I always ping him a message that whenever
Yeah,
you have a time, please ping me. So I'm
yeah,
sparing a
yeah.
lot of time. So now he's able to answer me that, ma'am, I want to continue the program again. Even though I have
Yeah.
not followed, I will pay and I will continue.
Oh, that is a
Yes.
wonderful,
I have given assurance that
feedback.
I can give anything. Like I will also giving a lot of support. Okay, you have a better future. All these things. So these are all makes him, very perfect now. In this
Yes,
tough
yes.
situation, also he is
Yes.
very strong enough. I think now I'm correlating with his mother now. Whatever you are sharing.
Yes.
So last
Oh,
two
Mm.
weeks
yes.
he was very strong enough.
Yeah. I think,
Prasanna,
yeah.
Prasanna,
Padma,
tell me how your approach should be changed towards the client before HNTP and after HNTP.
Before, as you know, Padma, like how as a nutritionist, we are all concentrating proteins, fats, all these things like medical nutrition therapy.
Yes.
So
Yes.
now, of course, I'm not leaving the medical nutrition therapy, but more I'm applying the transformation tools, all the whatever the things we are learning, I'm applying that.
Thank you so much, Prasanna.
Thank you.
Finally, you brought me into the picture. So the father gets the credit now.
Thank you, sir. Yes,
So,
it's all your
so,
credit.
so Prasanna, what is your advice to the audience and the young dietitians?
Yes, ma'am. Good question, actually. So I always like to encourage the youngsters, like uh, whatever the phases I have gone through. Before marriage, I was very successful lady, and after that, I have a little struggle and all. But don't be back. Don't like a backbenchers. Okay, always go forward. Whatever you have a situation, you can come out of your problem, and don't be panic about your future opportunities and all. First of all, you need to search the opportunity will not come to you. You have to go and search, right? So
Well
this is
said.
my
Well
advice.
said, Prasanna. Well said.
Opportunities, yes, you have to always go for opportunities, and definitely success will come true, definitely. If you have a hardship, definitely. And my small advice that you, like me, don't be engaged with so many things. Just choose what is the best for you. As I selected HNTP is the main priority in the month of October. So you have seen me a lot of transformation, right? So
Yeah.
much success, so much success rates. Clients are increased day by day. Without knowing me, also every day it's coming. It's an add-on thing for me.
Yeah,
Right.
Prasanna madam, exactly the same thing. So I don't know how many times I asked you to be on this program, and how many times you refused to come online. And even talking with Padma Garu and Karuna and all these girls.
Sir,
And
you are the inspiration for me because
no,
I
no,
am a
no,
very
no. Let
shy.
me complete. Let me complete. So, you asked me one thing, sir. Do you think I can speak? You know what? You did not give any chance to Karuna Garu or Padma Garu. Priya,
Yes.
being the Sheriani, she took that three questions. And Sandhya, we all know. Okay. So, he is trying to handle. So, did you realize how much you spoke? Okay, how
And
much
she
it means to how
she
much it
spoke
means
and
to
she inspired
respectable
also, sir.
dietitians.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so this is all inspiration. And whenever I get the messages like, when are we getting Prasanna Garu on HNDP success series and all, and yeah, till today's afternoon also you were resisting. I told you, madam, your photo is not coming right, and how could I edit this video? How can I place it? So and look at you for almost like 1 hour. uh, yeah, you shared it. That is the beauty, ma'am. uh, and yeah, that's a wonderful
I
wonderful
really
thing.
encourage all of you because I'm a very shy lady. Because coming to social media, like this YouTube links and all, I'm very, very scared and so much.
Prasadda ma'am, you have to unmute yourself.
I really encourage all of our nutritionists, all other coaches to come up like me and share whatever you have as secrets in you.
Yeah.
So I'm
So,
also
ma'am,
very
I have a question for you. So, whom and at what time you will recommend the holistic nutrition course to the people? Means, what do you think is the right time to enter to the program where you can flourish as a person and as professionally?
whoever's struggling like me, if there is no way for a solution, suppose I have a very tough situation where I cannot handle the client, there I approach the HNTP. So then I realize, okay, I need to open the lessons and read or go through all the lessons. So like
Good.
that, so you please choose your HNTP course and go through all the lessons and please attend the live and be active in the group. Almost you'll
Good.
be achieve, you can be rock like anything.
Yeah, yeah, that's true. So we have come up to the end of the session. So last 10 minutes. So let us give an opportunity and give the podium to the audience. If they ask any doubts, so please audience and the other coaches who have joined. So you may, feel free to ask Prasanna your doubts. So anybody having any doubts or anybody wants to ask Prasanna about anything?
So I just want to mention two of the comments for you, ma'am. Shalu ma'am has mentioned hats off to beat that challenge. And second, Supriya ma'am has said, wow, ma'am, you are a true inspiration. And I think she is absolutely right on the context. You are really a true inspiration, ma'am. Truly.
Agree, agree, Priya, completely.
Yeah.
No, Priya, you're not married and you're not a mother yet, but I tried to kidnap, I am able to, successfully able to kidnap Danya's son and Padma's daughter. So
Right,
I
right.
asked Prasanna also in the morning. How old are they? I mean, she said like 5 years old, sir, you can't kidnap them. Yeah, for Supriya, I want to tell because I'm glad that she is online. And Supriya used to think that like I was there in Kadapa, that what is that? Muslim का ये होता है ना, what do you call that? Dargah.
Darga.
I
Yeah.
was there last March, and we were doing a program, and Supriya called me and said, like, "Sir, can I do this?" Why do you think you can't do this? No, Supriya. And I have so many daughters who are making me feel so low, but I want to feel happy. But honestly, I called up my mom and my dad. I mean, we call him Nanagaru. Nanagaru in Telugu means father. So I never called him up. So they are coming back to Hyderabad, and today happens to be Father's Day. And I
Yeah.
woke up to receive so many messages. Happy Father's Day, Happy Father's Day. Who is this father? And then I realized, okay, I have 100 plus daughters. So it's so good to have you conduct this. Yeah.
We
Thank you.
really have,
Thank you
we
so
are
much.
very privileged to have you, sir, as like a father. Father.
Mm,
Without you, we cannot work. No?
mm,
Everyone must have a mentor like you, father like you. So
mm,
then only we can succeed. So on the occasion of this Father's Day, I
mm,
completely bow down to you that the beautiful way you are treating last 1 year the
Hmm.
planning and success stories. So many things are coming up, lead generation especially.
Hmm.
So for everything, I bow down to you and
Hmm.
say thank to you.
My
Good.
pleasure, madam. I have a long way to go. So I know Priya is angry with me and Karuna Garu is already angry with me for past 3 years because she wanted to do a very good weight loss program. And she morning, sir, आपको blue label चाहिए क्या? I'll get it. So when are we starting this program, sir? No, Karuna Garu. Uh, I call Karuna as Karuna Garu and Karuna also. So I told Karuna and said like, Madam, I want to see you like this. Am I greedy? No, sir. No, sir. This is small success. Let's go there. Because she wanted to have a blast. I don't know how many of you wanted to come to Hyderabad and have a party, but
So
Karuna
me,
madam, Karuna madam is like July 11 को party करेंगे sir. Yeah, we'll do it.
To celebrate
Uh,
1 year of the holistic nutrition program.
yeah.
true, ma'am.
So that's so kind of her. But I told her like, okay, we are seeing the success now. At least I am able to see your faces and get to know who you are. But I want to go the success to much higher level. जैसे you watch Rise or Dangal and what is this शाहरुख खान का ये हॉकी मैच होता है ना
चक दे इंडिया
चक
Yeah.
दे
India.
so that kind of thing मैडम जितना फोड़ के दिखाएंगे सब लोगों को yeah what my daughters can do then we'll celebrate.
True,
Good,
sir.
sir.
Yeah.
So any other questions?
Sure, sir.
So Prasanna, like finally, I wanted to ask you. So what is the final advice for the younger budding generation and the budding dietitian? How they have to change their approach and all, and how do you advise them to, see the new way of transforming their clients?
First of all, don't be panic about the profession because even I also panic about why I have taken this profession and all. Now I
Hmm.
realize I'm in the right place now, treating all the clients in a different way as definitely everybody can see the future generation physicians, all nutrition star, as sir quoted always. So again, I want to repeat. So this is a very fantastic course. Even you can fly or flourish like anything once you can choose this. So this is the right time to us, sitting at home, working from home, you can earn and you can learn and you can earn by
Yeah,
this
wonderful.
HNTP.
Wow.
By this HNTP. And sir always quoted that you need to earn within a coming maybe few months. Everybody has to earn 1 lakh rupee per month. This is
Yes.
his intention, right? This is his vision.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
Yes.
nobody is back off like anything, right? So nobody will not encourage like that.
Hmm.
Yeah. Very
So
true.
with
Yeah,
this
true.
HNTP, I wish and even I can achieve and we can achieve within a few
Yes.
months. We can achieve easily, and then we can beat IT more than IT
Very true, ma'am. Very
Definitely.
true. So
Very
it's
Definitely.
a
true.
learning, it's a earning, it's a learning with earning.
earning. Yes,
I think the
Yes,
recent
yes.
example is Kanna ma'am. So she approved us, right?
yes,
So
Yeah.
again,
Yes.
it's a proven example. We have a live example.
yes.
I
So if
think
you don't,
you should elaborate it.
I give the
yeah.
credit to Suresh sir.
Hmm.
Ma'am,
Totally.
please tell us about it for a minute.
Our the client.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, he was uh, short and obese, and he used to drink for the past 40 years. And when he came to lose weight, his only criteria was that he will not stop drinking. But
Okay.
he doesn't mind going on a diet or exercise. So I transformed him totally in 6 months, and he was so happy that he was forcing me to take the fees, and which was, I think, 3 times what I anticipated. So the entire credit goes to Dr. Suresh and the Holistic Nutrition Program.
That's wonderful, ma'am.
Wonderful.
Person. And he has paid you thrice, ma'am, right? Even after
Yes.
telling, even after, you told him that, no, I don't want that. And even
Yes.
then he has transferred that payment. So when I
Yes.
got to know that
Wonderful.
message, I was clicked by sir's message that you, whatever money you are charging right now, your rest of the money is there with the universe, right?
Yes.
And that
Yes.
money
Yeah,
will
right.
come back to you in some way or the other way.
Yes.
So
Yes.
when I
Yes.
was, when I got the news, I felt like it's 1 lakh rupees with me. I've got it. So I was so
Yes.
happy.
And
I cannot
Yeah.
tell you.
see, that is the value we are making for the money we're creating.
Yeah, very true, ma'am. Very
Wow.
true.
Yeah, Priya, now I get
Yeah.
the meaning of Chand Sitare. पूरा फोड़ के लाके आते हो या तोड़ के लाके आते हो?
Right now.
That's good. That's good. Yeah, Karuna is like never accepting money. I mean, in those days, I used to say like you are doing so much hard work. Even for my, I mean, she always want to call herself as an intern with me. But I used to say that, ma'am, you have to charge her. Okay, no, sir, I can't take it. So then I would say, okay, I'll ask her to pay, and would you accept it? Okay, for that, I mean, in not in those days. So even for me, like even 1,000 rupees or 2,000 rupees is a big money for me. Madam, Karna would never accept that. Sir, I'm still learning. I'm a student. How can I charge?
You're my guru, sir.
మీరు కృష్ణకుమారి గారితో ఏం చెప్పారు అంటే మీకు నాకు అర్థం కావాలని చెప్పని తెలుగులో మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. వాళ్ళ ఆయన డాక్టర్ మొత్తం అంతా కూడా ఇది గుర్తుంది కదా అని చెప్పని మీ మీద కోపం అంతా కక్కేస్తున్నానండి.
Sir, English.
That's the exact reason why I'm speaking to her in Telugu. Okay.
So, sir, it's end of the time now. So we have come to the, the bell.
Yeah.
3 minutes past.
So, yes, sir. So from the audience, if you don't have any questions, I think we can wind up this.
Yeah. We'll wind it up, Andy.
Once again, I really thank one and all for your encouragement and well-wishing and prayers for my success. And I would like to wish all of you a super success in your life.
Thank you. Thank you, Prasanna.
Thank you, ma'am.
Prasanna.
Ma'am, Prasanna garu, you have to oblige on one request, that you have to share the case studies with us. So I speak to Harsh and I speak to Kapil and rest of the people. They would like say, should we share or should we not? Okay, but from you, from your clients, and share us that knowledge. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, wonderful ghost. I'm sorry, host.
Sir.
I'm sorry, I can't stop myself from humoring me, right?
Right, sir.
Yeah. Go
Thank
ahead.
you.
God bless you all, and make your father feel proud.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
So
sir.
we already
Thank you.
So we are already in that process, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Good.
So thank you each and everyone who have joined this live, and thank you my co-host who has made it more colorful by asking all your questions. And I special thanks to Suresh sir who has given us this opportunity to learn about each other's story and get inspiration. And yes, of course, all the audience who has made it more lively. So we'll wind up here, and thank you, Prasanna, once again. for sharing and inspiring us.
Thank you, Prasanna ma'am.
Okay, see you all in the next
Thank
series.
you. Thank you, Padma, Karuna garu, Priya.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you, Prasanna.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye bye.
Thank
See
you,
you.
sir.
Yeah. Bye bye.